Lying in my bed, I hear the clock ticking. Think of you caught up in circles. Confusion is nothing new. Flashback, old nights, almost leaving behind. Suitcase of memories. Time after sometimes you picture me and I'm walking too far ahead. You're calling to me and I can't hear what you said. And you say, go slow, and I fall behind. The signal reminds you if you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. And if you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting. Time after time. After my picture fades and darkness has turned gray, washing through the windows, and you're wondering if I'm okay. The secrets are stolen from deep inside. Drum beats out of time. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. And if you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting. Time after time. And if you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. And if you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting. Time after time. Time after time. Time after time, dear. However you said to go slow, I fall behind. The second hand unwinds. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. And if you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting. Time after time. And if you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. And if you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting. Time after time. Time after time. Time after time. Time after time. It's okay.